Hey guys, let's talk some business again. As you guys know, I'm the founder of Abundance. I've been working on many different things on the side, and I just took a week of vacation on a camping to make sure that I got a little bit of ease in my mind, got that negativity out, and of course we can focus on bringing that power again. What have I been working on lately? I've bought an EA, I've bought some coins, and as you can see it here, here now we got a free stock for the people. This means that, of course, you just get a free stock, but we have a plan also with the project. Let me show you guys this. Tupperware. You know how Gamestop went with the GME with that all those people were going on short and that people were pushing it up. That means that big hedge funds, they got liquidated, and the small people, they have won that battle, of course. This is something similar. As you can see, it was going down, it was going down. It came down from $30. Tupperware was almost dying. But then, of course, the crypto community and the meme community picked it up. And as you can see, many people saying, well, you know, I'm always late. And of course, you can see, yeah, I heard about this. I bought it at $1. I sold it at $5.30. I bought it at $3, sold it at $5.30. Like you can see, many people saying, like, well, I'm up 300%, and I hope that it goes more up. But of course, you must think of yourself, what is the risk that you're willing to take? Do not put the rent money, and also decide you want to go up, you want to go down. I think that, here you can see somebody, yeah, I bought it at 163, pulled out my original investment when it hits 4.42, staying in till it hits 30 or lose the house money. And of course, you can see many other things. And people saying, well, risky at this stage as there's a rug pull coming at any moment, but there's still a chance it has growth. For me, it's going to be that I'm going to be shorting it. I'm going to be set up my limit at, let's say, $5.25. As in the moment, we can check how much it is. You can see I just funded my account with $100. It's like €1. And also, I have gotten that free stock. You can see it here. DHL. This is, of course, a Dutch company. Not maybe Dutch, but it's also in the Netherlands. And you can see that the profit is $44 or euros. 44 euros. Nice. This is, of course, a free stock. So how to see that? Well, you can invite some friends. Let me go up a little bit. Come on, man. I'm missing my mouse, so my computer is a little bit disappointing lately. Let's just call it that. Let's click some things away, guys. And let me share to another screen. As I have made one that has my share screen, that has my link already ready. And you can see that Patrick is inviting you to invest with Freedom Finance Europe. When you have opened an account, you're going to get a free stock of maximum $700. And of course, here it says, how does it work? Well, open your account, you're going to get a free stock. Go to orders and go to the menu. How do I get more stocks? Well, invite some more friends. You can get some more limit for coupons, giving you free stocks. And everybody that can join, if they are in European Union and older than 25 years. So, as you can see that you're going to get a coupon, and you can open a second account, but it is not giving you another stock. So let's check it out. Let's say that you're going to get an Adidas stock. You're going to get 181. You're going to get Siemens. It's going to get $15. You're going to get Morgan & Chase. It's going to be worth $155. Tesla, $253. So it is depending on what you're going to get. A buddy of mine, he said, oh, you got that stock? He got like a stock of $8.18. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, Snapchat. There's many things that you can get. And of course, you just hope to get lucky, guys. This is just the beginning. But what we are going to do with this is we are going to trade the Tupperware. I'm going to show it in a little bit. First, you just have to go and do those setups. You're going to make sure that you're going to enter your number. You're going to do your KIC. You're going to check it. And of course, do your ID card, proof of address, things like that. And then you can short the stock. It is depending on how you want to do it and where you want to do it. But let me share my screen and then, of course, new share. Let's go here. And then we make sure that you can just get it. So we're gonna go check out the trades, and of course the market opens on Monday. Like I said before, decide what you want to do. Do you want to short it, or do you believe that the stock is going up some more? It is your decision. I am not saying it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. I'm saying make your own decision. If you want to do this, you can do it. And also that if you don't want to do it, you are not forced to do it. Let me, well, I was about to say close some more things, but let me refresh the page. As you can see, my computer is a little bit, I got like, yeah, if you want to know why my computer is a little bit slow, I got like 4 EAs running in the background doing trades. And of course, we are making sure that we are stress testing. Let me just show you this one. Robo Forex. Yeah, I can show this one. As you can see here, we got a robot running on Robo Forex with multiple trades open. And in the moment, it is like a little bit in drawdown because crypto is going up or down. I don't know. But the robot is just doing his job. And of course, we got here like another one. This one I can close in the moment. Ah, he's winning. And this one I can click away in a moment. Let me just click away some things, guys. It's going to be a lot faster. Also, we got a funded account with, let me just check it out. Go back here. We got a funded account with the funded trader. We got a funded account with FTMO. And we are making sure that we are not only spreading, but also, I think I'm going to click this one away. We are not only spreading, but we're also making sure that we are going to go get some money there, some money there, some money there. And as you know, we are fully about the risk management. This is just one of the things that I'm just going to be uploading, showing how to get a free stock, showing how to place a trade. And I will make an update about it somewhere this week also. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, wishing you well.